Most people think SSH is a Linux thing. It is not. And if you are managing Windows Server 2022 without it, you are missing one of the most powerful remote access tools available to you right now. By the end of this video, you will have OpenSSH installed, running, and secured on Windows Server 2022. You will also connect to it from a client machine and set up key-based authentication. The professional way to do it. Let us get into it. SSH stands for Secure Shell. It is a network protocol that lets you remotely access and control a machine over an encrypted connection. Encrypted. That is the key word. Before SSH became mainstream on Windows, administrators relied heavily on RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. RDP is great, but it is graphical. It is heavier on bandwidth, and it is one of the most attacked protocols on the internet. Look up any threat report. RDP brute force attacks are constant. SSH gives you a lightweight, scriptable, and highly secure alternative. You can run commands, transfer files, and even tunnel other traffic through it for automation and scripting. Especially with PowerShell, SSH is a game changer. Now, here is something many people do not know. Microsoft has shipped OpenSSH as an optional feature in Windows since 2018. On Windows Server 2022, it is built right in. You do not need third-party tools. No PuTTY installer. No Cygwin. Nothing extra to download. This matters for a few reasons. If you are studying for CompTIA+, Network+, or Server+, remote access and secure protocols or exam objectives. If you are in a junior sysadmin role, your senior engineers will expect you to know this. And if you are building a home lab, which you absolutely should be doing, SSH is how you manage servers efficiently without needing a monitor and keyboard attached to every machine. Quick note: if you want a cloud server to practice on without building physical hardware, Hostinger has VPS plans that start very affordably. Link is in the description. It is a solid option for South African students who want a real environment to practice in. Right. Let us build this. Step 1. Open PowerShell as administrator. Right-click the Start menu. Select Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. Everything we do here requires elevated privileges. Step 2. Check if OpenSSH is already installed. Type this command. ___get Windows capability online, where object name like OpenSSH, ___, hit enter. You will see two entries: OpenSSH client and OpenSSH server. We want the server component. Check the state field. If it says not present, we need to install it. If it